Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.